3D printing in dentistry has been incredible, and we have seen a lot of advancements. Yet some professionals remain hesitant to adopt it. What are, in your opinion, the biggest misconception or barriers to entry?
In a dental practice, what really matters? What really matters is dentists providing treatment for a patient. That's why dentists exist, and 3D printers are just a tool to help. And if they're a tool that is difficult to use and takes a lot of time and time away from a dentist and a patient, then it's not really helping with that goal. And so that's why, from the beginning, ease of use has been our focus. It's got to be easy to set up and learn how to use the tool, and it's got to be easy every time you go through the process of making a part. And I would say it still has room to improve. While it's working for many dentists, I think there is a path to go even further and get to sort of the dream of like a one-click process of use your intraoral scanner, pick a treatment, verify it, and press go, and have a finished part at the end of it. That's the goal that we're working towards.
Yeah, at Schein, we love the idea of easy of use, and I'm sure all of our customers are looking for that. Give us, in your opinion, the three reasons for a dentist to adopt 3D printing.
It has to provide better patient care. That's the only thing that really matters, and it can provide better care by either making a better treatment because the part that you're making is more accurate or better material properties or something like that, or it can provide better care by providing care that wouldn't have happened otherwise because maybe it was too expensive or it wasn't available in time for the patient to get it. So that's like the core of it. And then if you ask me for a third thing, it can also save dentists some money. Perhaps there are things they would have outsourced otherwise at a higher price, and now they can do at a lower cost themselves.
Make a lot of sense. And what about dental labs?
So for dental labs, it starts again in the same place. Like we're all trying to provide better treatment. But I think dental labs have additional focus on cost per part. It's got to be profitable way to make something. It's got to be a better way to make something, and so that's a big focus of ours for dental labs. You're using the same kind of tools across practice and the lab, so you know that you can get the same results whether you're doing something same day. For an urgent need for a patient, or whether you're sending out for something that's less urgent. If they're done with the same tools, you get the same results. That's great.
The last question, we want to say something about the future because 3D printing has been on the scene for many years, and we see more and more application possible. You mentioned night guards, crowns, dentures, and more. Many of these are related to material and resins. So what do you believe is the next big things in 3D printing resins? What will be the next innovation?
Yeah, so materials is a huge part of what we do. We think of our business as almost like equal parts hardware, software, and materials. And all those things have to come together because ultimately you want a good part out that provides good treatment for the patient. And that part depends on all those things working together. The materials in 3D printing have been progressing really steadily. But this has also been one of those areas where there's maybe some over-promising. One area where there's a lot of excitement right now is around permanent restorations, and the idea of printing a crown chairside and installing that on a patient. That's really amazing and valuable, and it's possible in some cases now. But the reality is. Compared to the gold standard materials, zirconia and other ceramics, directly printed parts are not in the same caliber. And so, we've always tried to be clear about what you can and can't do with our products. It's really important for us to deliver on our promises. But we're making a lot of progress. We're improving materials in those areas, and then in other sort of high performance materials areas, like for example dentures, those there the materials are really meeting the bar of what's needed in terms of toughness and strength. Um, so yeah, if you haven't seen sort of what the latest materials can do, check it out because it changes every year or two.
Thank you, Max. It's clear that 3D printing is not just the future of dentistry, it's the present, and we will see more and more advancement with the material. Thank you everybody for watching, and we will see you next time on Shine Chats.